Hello everyone. Today I propose you discover a product halfway between fashion, tech, and lifestyle. The new Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Gen 2 smart glasses. You will see why this 2025 generation marks a real turning point. What I liked less. And above all, if it's worth adopting them. Stay until the end. Let's start with the essential, the look and feel. You know the Ray-Ban Wayfarer, this iconic model for decades. With this connected Gen 2 version, the design remains faithful to the Wayfarer spirit. Sleek shapes, classic temples. They really seem light and comfortable after a few hours of use. In short, on the design, it's a good starting point. So, what really changes compared to the previous generation? Here are the main evolutions. The battery life, the Gen 2 announces up to 8 hours of typical use on a single charge. The supplied charging case offers an additional 48 hours of battery life, fast charging, up to 50% in 20 minutes. Suffice to say that this is much better than the first generation, which had much more apprehension regarding the battery. Camera and video mode, the boosted video resolution, up to 3K, 30 frames per second, and even 1200p at 60 frames per second. The photo resolution is also improved, better overall image quality. Smart features, the integration of the Meta AI assistant is more reliable. The announced functions, live translation with new languages, conversation mode to hear better when there is noise. Thanks to the open-ear speakers integrated into the glasses, the conversation focus mode amplifies the voice of the person you're speaking to distinguish it from ambient noise. Hey Meta, what driver does this collection represent?
This collection seems to refer to Formula One driver Lewis Hamilton with his number 44 cap and his helmets. It's magnificent.
By the way, what are these flowers?
The flowers you see are camellias, in light pink and dark pink colors.
Hey Meta, what is this park?
It's Speed Park, a place that offers activities like laser tag, billiards, video games, and karaoke.
Is the weather nice today?
In chilly Mazarin, Ile-de-France, it is currently sunny and 12 degrees Celsius. Today, the high will be 14 degrees Celsius and the low 7 degrees Celsius.
Hey Meta, take a photo. In summary, we have a nice upgrade. Better hardware, better battery life, better smart functions. But beware, better does not mean perfect. We come back to this in the positive negative points. What I liked after a few days of use. The style. As I said, they look like classic Ray-Bans, which allows you to wear them without feeling geeky. The battery life. You feel like you can consider a full day without stress. The camera video, great for capturing hands-free moments. The sound. The integrated speakers are of quality. The sound is clear. You hear well when listening to music or a podcast. What I liked, less the photo-video quality is very good for this type of product, but does not replace a high-end smartphone. Even if the design is discreet, the camera sensor remains visible, and this can create discomfort regarding privacy or the gaze of others. The price perceived value. It's a hybrid product, so you also pay for the style plus the smart ecosystem, not just for perfect smart glasses. Who are they for? I would recommend these glasses to those who want a pair of smart glasses, but who do not want to look like a futuristic gadget. Social network users, content creators who like to film first-person view moments. People who want to listen to music or make calls without a headset, while maintaining elegance and discretion. I would advise against them, or at least I would advise waiting. You're looking for a complete replacement for a smartphone camera or an Ultra Pro product for photo video. You have a tight budget and are maybe waiting for the next generation for a better quality use ratio. You have very high expectations for the AI and the magic of the glasses. Although it is progressing, we are not yet in complete science fiction. To conclude, the Ray-Ban Meta Wayfarer Gen 2 succeed in combining elegance, comfort, and connected use. The improvements to battery life, camera, and AI are real and appreciable. It is not a total replacement for all your devices, but for what they are, they fulfill their role very well. If you are ready to invest in a pair of smart chic glasses, they are one of the best current choices. Thank you for watching this review until the end. If you like this video, remember to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any of my next reviews. See you very soon. A little bonus for you. If you want to take the plunge, you have a link in my bio that gives you a €30 immediate discount on the Ray-Ban Meta. Take advantage of it while the offer is available. Thank you for watching this video until the end. Remember to like, comment to tell me what you think, and subscribe so you don't miss the next high-tech reviews. See you soon.